Avoid these mistakes and trade like a pro. Ready to start trading, but worried about losing money? This training video reveals the top mistakes new traders make and provides actionable steps to avoid them. Let's transform you from a beginner to a confident, informed trader. As a seasoned trader, I've witnessed countless beginners enter the market with enthusiasm. Sadly, many face early losses, not due to a lack of intelligence, but because they repeat common errors. Recognizing these pitfalls is vital for your trading success. One major challenge is insufficient knowledge. New traders often lack understanding of market dynamics, trading instruments, and inherent risks. Emotional trading, driven by fear and greed, is another destructive force. Poor risk management can lead to significant financial setbacks. These mistakes are often interconnected, creating a negative cycle. For example, limited knowledge can fuel emotional decisions, leading to inadequate risk control. Breaking this cycle requires awareness and proactive strategies. Many beginners also get stuck in analysis paralysis, overanalyzing charts and missing opportunities. Let's examine these mistakes more closely. Imagine a new trader with limited technical analysis skills. They might make impulsive decisions based on emotions rather than data-driven insights. Without proper risk management, over-leveraging can quickly deplete your account. These errors can result in substantial losses and missed profit opportunities. Remember, trading is a skill that requires continuous learning and adaptation. Don't be discouraged by initial setbacks. View them as learning experiences. The most critical mistake is trading without a well-defined plan. Without a plan, you're essentially gambling, not trading. A comprehensive plan should include clear entry and exit points, robust risk management strategies, and a clear understanding of your financial goals. A solid trading plan acts as your roadmap, guiding your decisions and keeping you disciplined. It helps you stay focused, avoid impulsive actions, and manage your risk effectively. Remember, consistency and discipline are key to long-term success. To avoid these common traps, prioritize education and practice. Continuously expand your knowledge of trading concepts and strategies. Start with a demo account to practice without risking real capital. This allows you to hone your skills and build confidence. Another crucial strategy is emotional control. Managing your emotions can be challenging, but it's essential for rational decision-making. Develop techniques to stay calm and focused, even during volatile market conditions. Remember, patience and discipline are your greatest assets. In summary, beginner traders often struggle with insufficient knowledge, emotional trading, and poor risk management. By understanding these pitfalls and actively working to avoid them, you can significantly increase your chances of success in the markets. Remember, every successful trader started as a beginner. Embrace the learning process, stay disciplined, and never stop improving your skills. With dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve your trading goals. Have you encountered any of these mistakes in your trading journey? Share your experiences in the comments below. Ready to take your trading to the next level? Click the link in the description to access more in-depth training materials and strategies. Also, check out our other videos for more valuable insights. Start your journey to becoming a successful trader today.